I wanted to get a good night's sleep tonight, but that's not happening. New FSD firmware is released, and because I am a child, I had to go out and drive and see if anything stood out to me. The first thing that sticks out is there is some visualization updates on the Model S. The autopilot status and the speed and all that drops to the bottom of the instrument cluster when autopilot is turned on. Not sure if it's easy to see in the video, but a lot of the icons are like comically small now. If you notice like the headlight icon on the top left, it is so small. They also changed the location of a few things, like the gear icon or what gear you're in is on a different location. It's to the left and to the right. The messages that displaying autopilot, kind of what it's doing, is on the right hand side instead of the center. Same with like all the rest of the stuff. So not sure exactly how I feel about this change. I guess time will tell. The other thing that I noticed that felt a little bit different was when I'm going through parking lots. Usually when I'm going through parking lots, I have to kind of manually set the speed, or autopilot will just try to go that speed, but this time it was actually taking it pretty slow and steady. I also don't believe that these parking lots are mapped, so it's kind of, I really do think it's trying to get through here with vision, which is pretty cool to see, and it encounters some more difficult kind of areas a little bit ahead. But this gives me pretty high hopes for a more advanced summon that can go a little bit faster, you know, and kind of go through parking lots and pick you up. I don't think it's there yet. It does get a little confused in some parts here, but it definitely, you know, it definitely feels better. And I'll let you be the judge. This video's in real time, and you can kind of see it snake its way through here, but I think this is amazing in just that I don't think we'd ever see a Waymo driving down a path like you're about to see. You can really see that speed control here. It is not going faster than, you know, 13, 12 miles an hour through these parts, which is pretty cool. I actually had a couple interesting scenarios happen on this little drive. Here's somebody stopped on the side of the road. I think he's putting up a sign, but has his car there. I was actually pretty nervous on how autopilot would deal with this one, but handled it pretty gracefully, if I do say so myself. After reviewing this footage back home, I promise you I will clean my windshield. I am so sorry, you guys. Here we have autopilot making its way through a construction zone. You can see how quickly it sorts itself out when it starts to go down the wrong path. And I think with every update, that path planner that kind of flickers around and is deciding where the car wants to go, I think that just gets a little bit better with each update. It also feels a little bit smoother when you're behind the wheel. Like, it feels a little bit more confident in this update. And that may be very well just because there wasn't many cars on the road, or I don't know, some other factors, but from this initial drive, it does feel pretty improved. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. This was just a quick video I threw together in the middle of the night. I'll be uploading some better ones later on. Thanks again for watching. Bye.